So the example here, okay, let's say you have a matrix A 6, 2, -1, 4, and matrix B will have B equal to -2, 0, 1, -2, 0, 5, -1, 0. Okay, so my first question, what is the sizes of A and B? Okay, for A, the size is 1 times 4. How about B? 4 times 2. Okay, so my question is, we want to find A times B. Okay, A times B. So, based on the sizes that you have here, so what's the answer that you should get? I mean, what's the size of the matrix that you should get? 1 times 2. Okay, maksudnya you akan dapat matrix yang bersaiz 1, 2, which is 1 row, 2 column. Okay, because this is 4, right? Okay, so now we know that, okay, we know that we have the answer here. I mean, we have only 1 row, but we have 2 column. Okay, maksudnya you have 1, 2, only 2 element here, or 2 entries, 2 number lah. Kat sini 1, sini 1. Okay, how to know? Okay, macam mana kita nak tahu apa kita nak cari kat sini? Okay, let's say you have 1, 2, means that only 1 row, 2 column. So the first entry here, the size ataupun entries kat sini adalah A11. Apa maksud A11? What's the meaning by A11 here? Okay, 1 here is represent the row. Second, the number 1 after that here is represent column. So this is means is the first row, right? Is the first row and then is the first column. So that's why A11. How about this one? This one is A. We last at the row number 1, right? But now column is column 2. Okay, so A11, A12. So we want to find what's the value of A11 and what's the value of A12. So kita ada 2 matrix. We have 2 matrix. How to multiply? Okay, how to multiply? Okay, so now tengok we start with A, B. So A first. So for the first row, or the first number is represent row, so means that for the first matrix you just focus on the row, and then for the second one, the second matrix, you will focus on the I mean for the second one baru tengok column lah. Maksudnya untuk matrix yang pertama you tengok row, untuk matrix yang kedua you tengok column. So untuk row kat sini tak ada masalah sebab memang satu saja row, tapi column kat sini ada 2 column, right? They have 2 columns. So which column that you need to find? Okay, we start first. You can see that this is A11, so this means it's the first row, first column. So first row tak ada masalah because this memang only 1 row, but for this one you focus on the first column first. Okay, so you have 6, 2, -1, 4. Okay, saya ni balik sekali kat sini. So you take the first one is 6, and then we times with the first column. 6 times with -2. Okay, and then plus 2 times with 1, and then plus -1 times with 0, and then plus 4 times with -1. So this one, okay, is the entries or is a number for A11 just now. Okay, saya tak cukup ruang sepatutnya you kena extend kat sini Okay, maksudnya tak boleh tulis kat bawah. So, bila tulis kat bawah, it will different meaning. Dia dah jadi row yang kedua. Sedangkan you punya answer should be in row 1, kan? So saya suppose kat sini continue suppose kat sini. But if because of don't have enough space, I write down here. So okay, so for the second entries here is 1, 2. So means that the first row, second column. So you just take it the same row because it memang tak ada masalah because they have only 1 row. But now you multiply with the second column. So here you have 6 times 0 plus 2 times -2 plus -1 times 5 plus 4 times 0. So you will get the answer here. So -12 plus 2, 10 minus this one is 0 minus 4, you will get 14. And then this one 6 times 0 is 0. Negative 4 minus 5, negative 9. So negative 9. So this is the final answer. Okay, you can see that this is only first, the sizes is 1 times 2. First row, only one row, and then you have 2 column. Okay, so this is A times B. How about B times A? Okay, you can check back. The sizes of B is 4, 3. Okay, 4 times 3. The sizes of matrix A is 1 times 4. You can see that 3 and 1 is not equivalent. If here is 3, here it should be 3 also. Okay, so therefore, BA cannot be calculated. Okay, and we can conclude that A times B is not equal to BA. Maksudnya, because of we know that when we multiply numbers, for example 2 times 5 you get 10, right? And then 5 times 2, even though it's terbalik, but we still get the same answer, right? But it's not applicable for matrices. For matrices, if you times A times B, you will get exactly the right, I mean the same like AB. Maksudnya kalau AB, tak semestinya jawapan you akan dapat BA tu sama dengan AB tadi. Okay, right? So that's the multiplication. Okay, the multiplication of the matrices. Get it? Okay, because okay, I hope that you understand how the multiplication process berlaku lah. Okay, you kena darab row dengan column. Okay, make sure you understand it before you proceed to the determinant and so on. Hope that you master on the multiplication of the matrix first. Alright, okay, so in the next video I will proceed with the determinant.